I have a Jameco one-piece low-profile toilet and the flush lever fell apart. Universal replacements do not seem to fit or work. Would like to get an original replacement or one that works.
What's the brand and model of your toilet? How old is it?
Jameco 1.6 GPF, 6.0 LPF could be 10 to 12 years old.
What have you tried so far with your toilet?
Fluidmaster Universal and another bought at my local hardware store. Rod on that one is bent wrong and weighed along and the Universal doesn't fit correctly.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
That's all I got.
I would be happy to review possible options if you can provide pictures of the Jameco trip lever. It is unlikely we will find a direct replacement for a Jameco, however, I will help identify a part or workaround. Thank you, Andrew.
Already fixed. I bent and used a stock unit bought in Home Depot. I couldn't wait and fixed it myself 2 days after the request. Basically, I had to cut and bend and made it work.
I'm glad you found a solution and sorry we could not connect sooner. Thank you, Andrew.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.